death photography. Now, what is that? That is capturing the moments of families and loved ones when someone is actively dying. Why would you do that? Because in the family's pain and their grief and their emotions of being with someone as they die and transitioning over, they don't get to see what I see. And to show them those images afterwards brings them so much insight to so much love in the room, to be able to see that love, to connect with how the family worked together, and to have those memories that, although a very difficult experience, it was also a very beautiful experience. What I share with a lot of people is that in one's lifetime, you're going to experience 1,000 joys and 1,000 sorrows. You can't have one without the other. Life and death, you can't have one without the other. They go together. When you see the images of life and death coming together in one moment, it makes a huge difference for the families that are left behind.